see another problem from matrix multiplication. If matrix A is given and matrix B another one, and matrix C is also given, verify AB into C equals A into BC, associative property, right? Now A into B plus C is AB plus AC, distributive. Okay, so we need to prove these two properties. So for that, first we need to find out AB, right? Then only we can multiply this AB matrix with C. Clear? So be careful with the brackets. Clear? Okay, so let's start. AB. A is 1, 2, minus 2, 1. B is 2, 3, 3 minus 4. You can also work out along with me. So what will be our answer? So again, I am not repeating the procedure of multiplication. We already discussed it, right? So just write the answer. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Again 1 into 3 plus 2 into minus 4. Then minus 2 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Minus 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 4. Okay, so our answer is 8 minus 5 minus 1 minus 10 for AB. Next we need to find out AB into C, right? So AB we already got into C. So AB is 8 minus 5 minus 1 minus 10 into C is 1, 0 minus 1, 0. Okay, so let's check the answer. Going to be 8 into 1 plus minus 5 into minus 1. 8 into 0 plus minus 5 into 0. Minus 1 into 1 plus minus 10 into minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 plus minus 10 into 0. Okay. Into BC is 13090. Okay, clear? Now so we got this part. Again next we need to find out A into BC. So first we need to find out BC, right? The similar way we'll find out BC. The value of B into C, that is minus 1070. We multiplied B and C. Okay, I hope you are also doing with me. Now next we need to find out A into BC. Okay, so we have BC matrix, multiply that with matrix A. Matrix A is given in the question, so just copy the matrix A and multiply A with BC. So we will get 13090. Okay, our answer for AB into C was 13090. So from these two results we can say that AB into C equals A into BC. So first condition is proved. Now we need to prove the second condition. Okay, so for proving this condition, first of all take the LHS part and here first find out B plus C. Okay, then only we can multiply this answer with A. So B plus C, our B matrix and C matrix is given in the question. So let's add them. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3, 3 plus minus 1, 2, minus 4 plus 0, minus 4. So we added B and C. Next multiply B plus C with matrix A. So this is the matrix A which is in the question. Now B plus C matrix is 3, 3, 2 minus 4. Okay, so just multiply these two matrices and find out the answer. B plus C value is, the matrix is 7 minus 5 minus 4 minus 10. We have multiplied A with B plus C matrix. Okay, next our RHS part is AB plus BC. Okay, so AB we already found out. Okay, for the first condition we found out the AB matrix, right? So that answer is 8 minus 5 minus 1 minus 10. Now we need to find out AC. AC is A matrix A into matrix C. Okay, so let's multiply these two matrices. So when we multiply A with matrix C, we will get answer as minus 1 0 minus 3 0. Okay, now we need to add AB matrix with AC, AB and AC. So that is AB matrix is this, AC matrix is this. Add them. So 8 plus minus 1 is 7, minus 5 plus 0 is minus 5, minus 1 plus minus 3 is minus 4, minus 10 plus 0 is minus 10. Okay, so just compare A into B plus C with AB plus AC. So both are same. So the condition is true and we have verified the second condition as well. Clear? Another important question. Okay, we have given with two matrices P and Q. Then prove PQ equals QP. Okay, so first find out PQ. So P will be x 0 0 0 y 0 0 0 z. Excuses. A 0 0, this is matrix Q. Fine. Now take the first row, first column. So x into A is XA, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 0 0. Okay, and so I can just write it as XA because the other two terms are 0. Now first row, second column. So x into 0 plus 0 into B plus 0 into 0. So all terms are 0, right? Now row, first row into third column, x into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into C 0. So all terms are 0. Take the second row, first column, 0 into A 0 plus y into 0 0 plus 0 into 0 0. Second row, second column, 0 into 0 0 plus y into B yb plus 0 into 0 0. So we will just write it as yb. Again second row, third column, 0 into 0 0 plus y into 0 0 plus 0 into C 0. Clear? Third row, first column, 0 into A 0 plus 0 into 0 0 plus Z into 0 0. First row, second column, 0 into 0 0 plus 0 into B 0 plus Z into 0 0. Again, third row, third column, 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus z into z, z, z. Okay, so this is our, so let's see our QP matrix. First row, first column, a into x, ax plus 0 into 0, 0, 0 into 0, 0. So ax only. Now first row, second column, a into 0, 0 plus 0 into y, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. First row, third column, a into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into z, 0. Okay. Second row, first column, 0 into x, 0 plus b into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0. Second row, second column, 0 into 0, 0 plus b into y, by plus 0 into 0, 0. Again, 0 into 0, 0 plus b into 0, 0 plus 0 into z, 0. Third row, first column, 0 into x, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus c into 0, 0. Third row, second column, 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into y, 0 plus c into 0, 0. Third row, third column, 0 into 0, 0 plus 0 into 0, 0 plus c into z, c, z. So let's compare PQ matrix and QP matrix. XA is same as AX, YP is same as BY, ZC is same as ZZ. That means PQ equals QP. Hence proved. Clear? You can see. So let's see our next question. Let A and B are square matrices of the order 3 by 3. Is AB square equals A square B square? So in question it is given A and B are square matrices, right? Square matrices means what? All the row elements and column elements are same, right? So we can do the multiplication. Okay, so there is no difficulty to do multiplication because number of elements in both the matrices will be same. So we can write AB whole square can be AB into AB, right? We can multiply AB and AB because both are square matrices, no problem. Okay. Now if we just rearrange it, it will be AA into BB, right? That is A square into B square. Okay, that means AB whole square is equal to A square B square. So from what we obtained this one, because they gave a condition A and B are square matrices. If these are not square matrices, we cannot do multiplication and we can't write like this. Since these are square matrices, we can write AB into AB. Okay, multiplication is possible and AB square will be written as AB into AB. Rearrange it and finally we obtain the answer. Clear?